Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to Cash App. So transferring from your bank account to your Cash App application is pretty easy. You just need to follow the steps that we'll be showing you. Now, for you to make a transaction from Wells Fargo to your Cash App application, the first thing you want to do here is you want to ensure that you have the latest version for Cash App. So go ahead and open up Google Play Store or App Store and check if there are any updates. Now, once you've updated your application, the next thing that you want to do is you want to link your bank account first. Now, to link your bank account, you need to open up Cash App and you need to look for your profile icon, which is located at the top right of your screen. Now, from there, you need to look for the option that says Link Banks and just click on it. Now, next, you need to look for Link Bank and just click on it again. And from there, you just need to follow the steps that will be showed on your screen. So since we're linking the Wells Fargo account, make sure that you look for the Wells Fargo option. And from there, you just need to enter your details and you'll be able to connect your account. Now, once you've connected the account, the next thing that you want to do is you want to add cash. Now, how do you add cash into your Cash App application? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go back to the main home screen of Cash App. Now, from there, you just need to tap on the Money tab that you see on the Cash App main home screen. Now, from there, you'll have the option or you'll see the option that says Add Cash and just click on it. Now, from there, you need to enter the amount that you want to cash in, and once satisfied, you just need to click on the add button that you see on your screen. So once you click on add, you'll be asked for your touch ID or for your PIN to confirm the transaction itself. Now, from there, you just need to confirm and you'll be able to cash in into your Cash App account, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.